This is TCL 50SE, and today I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. So I recommend that you begin by checking if your system is either in the airplane or do not disturb modes, and if it is true, make sure to switch both of those features off, since, well, both flight and do not disturb modes simply prevent you from being able to receive any incoming phone calls, so that might be the case. And well, in order to do that, launch the control panel, find the airplane mode and do not disturb mode icons, and switch them off, or you can do that through settings as well. Another thing that you might consider doing is rebooting your phone, so simply press and hold the side power button to launch the power off menu, and here tap it to restart. Then what you might also want to do, what I suggest you try, is take the SIM injection tool, take out the SIM card tray, then take the SIM card you're having problems with and wipe its contact point down with some cloth, and ideally you will also want to clean it using proper cleaning solution, electronics friendly cleaning solution, or a regular alcohol, ethanol should do just fine. And well, if neither of the aforementioned troubleshooting methods helped, I advise that you contact your carrier or mobile network provider, since at this point the issue most probably lays on their end rather than yours. And well, as far as this simple video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.